Hey, welcome back to the video, guys. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. I'm just right now chilling on the Twitter page or X or whatever the hell you want to call it. I don't know what to call it anymore. But as you know, Elon Musk kind of prevented it from being a publicly traded company. So you can't buy Twitter shares anymore. As you can see on this guy's post, if you hold the X, apparently you can change it into the Twitter X. So that's kind of cool, but whatever. I don't really see the point. Some people are saying that the X kind of looks like the XRP X. Kind of interesting to me. I do like XRP and I do like XLM, so I might talk about those cryptos in the future. If you don't know what those cryptos are, definitely recommend looking them up. They are ISO 222 compliant. They are quite interesting, but more about that later. Right now, I wanted to show you Meta. Talked about Meta in my last video, and they had an earning call on Thursday. As you can see, they just shot up in the aftermarket, and they continued that Thursday, but then selling off the rest of the day Thursday. So I thought I would be in for a day trade. Didn't pan out on Thursday, but I did enter one on Friday. Worked out really well. Bought in at about 315 as soon as the market opened and rode that all the way up until about 325. Noticed that it was starting to sell off a little bit, so held it for a little bit longer, then sold my position at about 323, and I was okay with that. Making a little bit of money, almost $10 up on the day from that stock, but overall, it's like $60 or something, so not mad at all. Pretty good, pretty happy. Easy money on that one, so that was good. I don't know if you guys got into Meta, but I'm expecting right now that there might be a bit of a retracement. I don't think that the news is going to continue. As you can see that the volume is dying off a little bit. It did seem to go back up because the market didn't really fully react after Thursday, after it released its news. It was kind of more like of an aftermarket thing, and then everybody knew it was going to be open on Thursday, that it was going to be up high. So obviously people who bought in from before were selling off, and yeah, volume was pretty high, but didn't seem to make a difference. Then as you can see, did a little bit better on Friday, but anything can happen next week. So definitely be careful with this one, guys, but it is still on my radar. So yeah. Okay, and now we're talking about Mullen right now. So sadly, I don't really have any news about Mullen over the weekend. Nothing came out on Friday. I did put out a video out on Thursday about Mullen, so definitely check it out if you haven't. It was about the news that they had recently about Bollinger Motors and the good news that associated with them. If you guys don't know about Bollinger Motors, definitely look them up and the positive effects that it has on Mullen, or you guys can just check out my last video. But yeah, volume not too great with Mullen, but you know, anything can happen. Moving on now, though, we're going to talk about AMC. Some crazy stuff has been happening with AMC ever since the judge made the announcement saying that there can't be any conversion rate. The market reacted very positive towards that, but Adam Aaron and the hedge funds obviously do not like it. Adam Aaron wants a reverse split. He wants more dilution, and that is not good because he's trying to say that he wants to bring more value to the company. But if you're in AMC, you don't really care about value. You definitely are in this for a short squeeze, or at least I am. Don't frankly care if Adam Aaron stays the company or doesn't or not. We just know that these hedge funds have to pay back their short interest. And right now, there's currently sitting at about 155 million shares that are reported. So I'm not talking about the dark pools, but the actual reported shares are about 155 million. So they definitely are playing games right now. But if Adam Aaron goes ahead with this reverse split or more dilution with Ape, then it will not be a good outcome for AMC. So definitely want to hear you guys' thoughts on that. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Alrighty then, now we're moving on. So the last two that I'm talking about tonight is going to be Roku, which I have up on the screen, and then the other one after will be called Reata Pharmaceuticals. So let's talk about the first one, Roku. As you can see on Friday, they absolutely went nuts, going 31% on their news release on earnings call, which was very positive, and then continuing that up a little bit in the aftermarket by 2%. It looks like their volume was over 6 times the average volume that they normally get, which is absolutely insane. So why am I showing you guys this? Well, mainly because of it going up so much just based on earnings. I'm expecting a bit of a retracement coming now, so I'm probably going to put a put option on it because, you know, what goes up must come down even a little bit, guys. So it's just standard fashion. So I'm expecting some retracement of the Roku, but yeah, I don't know if you guys have checked them out, but it is also pretty interesting. They make TVs as well as like streaming service of their own, which is like free, I guess. But yeah. Anyway, this is Reata Pharmaceuticals. So they absolutely went nuts on Friday, even more so than Roku, going 54% up on the day. Volume being insane. I'm talking about 12 million shares, literally 12 times more the average volume. And that was basically based on the news release. Yeah, as you can see, it's just been having a crazy year. Absolutely crazy. I think the 52-week low, yeah, the 52-week low was $18 and then going up to 167 and basically shooting up on Friday on the news that Biogen Pharmaceuticals were going to buy them out in a $7.3 billion deal, which is, I guess, based on some sort of neurological drug that they have maybe a patent on that can treat a rare disease. So if the deal goes well, then they're going to be bought out. I think in about a 6-month term, roughly about $170 a share or something was quoted. But yeah, the deal can also fall through, but I'm expecting a retracement on this one, probably a sizable one, considering the year to date and the full year. It had just been running crazy. So there should be some pullback. I'm expecting some pullback next week, and then maybe might jump back into it in the future. Yeah, certainly on my radar for now. It seems very interesting, but I think it flew a little too close to the sun there, and I'm expecting a retracement. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you are in a Reata, or if you heard of them, or what you guys think of the trade. But yeah, might go and put a put option on that. But time will tell. So play the good old waiting game on that. But yeah, that's absolutely crazy. Crazy that the stock just had that kind of year like that. Absolutely blown away. But anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you click like, subscribe, share the video, comment down below, all that good stuff. Appreciate all the support. Let me know what you guys think of the picks, Twitter, what do you think of crypto integration, possibly XRP and XLM. Might be interesting. But yeah, appreciate it all, and thanks for stopping by. Have a good one, guys.